What's up, two-wheeled adventurers? Today, we're talking about a game-changer in the dirt bike world, especially if you're new to off-road riding, or just looking for a more accessible, quieter way to hit the trails. This is the 2025 KTM FREERIDE E, and trust me, it might just be the easiest dirt bike you've ever ridden. Is this the future for beginners and trail riders everywhere? Let's find out. KTM has completely re-engineered the FREERIDE E for 2025, taking everything they've learned from over a decade of electric dirt bike development and pouring it into this machine. Gone are the days of noisy, intimidating gas bikes for beginners. The FREERIDE E embodies a philosophy of easy to ride, easy to own. It's compact, incredibly lightweight at less than 251 pounds, and has a super slim profile, making it feel more like a mountain bike than a traditional dirt bike. This lightweight design is key to its approachability. Underneath that sleek bodywork is a brand new, in-house developed KTM electric drivetrain. We're talking about a powerful electric motor, producing 11 kilowatts of nominal output and a peak of 19.2 kilowatts, about 25.7 horsepower, with a healthy 37 Newton-meters of torque. Now, for experienced riders, those numbers might not sound huge, but here's the magic of electric. That torque is instantaneous. There's no clutch to feather, no gears to shift, just twist and go. This makes power delivery incredibly smooth, predictable, and forgiving, which is an absolute dream for beginners. You've got three distinct ride modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport. Eco mode is perfect for absolute beginners, delivering mellow, confidence-inspiring power and even capping the top speed to keep things manageable. The display is simple and clear, showing you what you need to know without overwhelming you. One of the biggest reasons this bike is so easy for beginners? No clutch, no gear lever, and no rear brake pedal. That's right, both front and rear brakes are operated by hand levers on the handlebars, just like a bicycle. This is a game changer for those transitioning from mountain biking or just starting out, allowing them to focus entirely on throttle control, body position, and looking ahead, rather than fumbling with foot controls. It significantly lowers the learning curve and builds confidence much faster. Powering this electric beast is a new 5.5 kWh MX50 lithium-ion battery. KTM claims it gives you 20% more riding time or distance compared to the previous model, with typical enduro riding times estimated between 2 and 3 hours depending on how aggressively you ride. And here's another huge plus: the battery is interchangeable, and you can swap it out in less than 10 minutes. Imagine having a spare charged battery for extended sessions on the trails. Charging takes about 8 hours with the included 660W charger, but you can get from 20 to 80% in 4 to 5 hours. The battery is also IP67 rated, meaning it's water and dust proof, ready for real off-road abuse. Being a KTM, you know the chassis and suspension are top-notch. It features a redesigned chromoly steel frame that uses the engine and battery as load-bearing components, contributing to its light weight and low center of gravity. Suspension duties are handled by WP Zact forks up front and a WP Splore PDS system at the rear, both fully adjustable. This high-quality suspension provides excellent control and comfort over varied terrain, soaking up bumps and roots with ease, giving riders a very planted and confident feel. It runs proper enduro wheel sizes too, 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, shod with capable Michelin medium enduro tires. So, why is this the easiest dirt bike ever for beginners and ideal for trails? No clutch or gears, simplifies the learning process immensely. Silent operation, you can ride in more places without disturbing wildlife or people, making it perfect for backyard practice or sensitive trail systems. Zero emissions. Environmentally friendly, no fumes, no gas spills. Instant, controllable power. The electric motor's torque is incredibly easy to manage, preventing stalling and making technical sections more approachable. Lightweight and nimble, easy to maneuver, pick up if you drop it, and navigate tight trails. Low maintenance, no oil changes, no spark plugs, no air filter cleaning, just charge and ride. What are your thoughts on electric dirt bikes? Does the 2025 KTM FREERIDE E pique your interest? Let us know in the comments below.